Hello, my name is Christy Moody, proud principal of Belcher Elementary School. Here's what you need to know about being a Bobcat. We have a highly skilled and unified staff that prides itself on strong relationships to support each and every scholar in our building. This includes our general education teachers, special education teachers, pre-K team, English language learner team, and our entire support staff and administration. We offer the inclusion model for scholars receiving special education services, plus gifted clustering and a co-teaching model for English language learners. Collaborative groupings are an essential part of our learning structure in each classroom as well. We have a variety of student opportunities to meet every student's interest. We have STEM for 2nd through 5th grade, gardening club with integrating herbs and vegetables into our school cafeteria, estuary club, plus we are a Gold Healthy School with health, wellness, and nutrition events offered across the year. For more information about our school, please visit our school website or call us at 727-538-7437.